Good afternoon, friends and family. How's everyone doing? Anyone looking for an extra income? Guess what? I have the perfect solution for you. Go and click on my YouTube channel. Go to my YouTube channel and go and click on my website link that is in my YouTube channel, and it will take you to a blueprint world where you can put your email in the link in the where they ask, and it will show you the e-learning course slash program, and it will show you step by step how to earn an income. It will teach you everything, only a 2-hour work day with every step that's needed. So don't hesitate to go and click on my blueprint on my website link, my YouTube channel. So go if you want, go and click on my website link in my YouTube channel if you want an extra income. Goodbye.